So we're back for part 2 of our water testing in Boynton Beach. We have our precipitation test, and now we're on to our hardness test. This test is going to tell us exactly how many grains of hardness are in the water here at this home. So we're going to take 2 samples, the tap water first. Okay, we're going to put that in here. Give it a good rinse. Okay, go to the line here. Good to go. And then we have our Rain Soft purified water, taking the tap water, running it through our miniature version of our whole house purification system. Back to the line. Okay. So we're going to use 3 chemicals here, and we're going to do the same thing to each of these samples, all right? We're going to put 5 drops of this buffering agent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This prepares the water to work with these next 2 chemicals. This one here is a hardness indicator dye. As you can see, it's red. If the water's hard, it's going to stay red, and if it's soft, it's going to turn blue. 5 drops in each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the water's hard, no surprise. The water all over South Florida is hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like magic. Okay, this one here is going to tell us exactly how hard this water is. So however many drops of this it takes to turn the red water to blue is how many grains of hardness are in the water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, getting purple. I think we need another one. 11. We've got about 11.5 grains of hardness in the water here. So let's look at our chart here. If we really want our water to be soft with less than 1 grain of hardness, because soft water is what gives you soft skin, shiny hair, and eliminates all the soap residue in the home that's sticking to everything because of this sediment in the tap water. Slightly hard water is going to have 1 to 3.5 grains of hardness. Moderately hard is going to be 3.5 to 7. Hard is going to be 7 to 10.5, and anything over 10.5 is crazy hard. So the quick way to remember this is hard water makes a hard life. So we have 11.5 grains of hardness in this water here, which means we have very hard water. And as we looked at earlier, we can see that hardness. Grab my flashlight. You can see it's sinking down to the bottom here like a chalky-like residue. See that stuff down in the bottom? That's the stuff that sticks to everything. Our skin, our hair, all the surfaces in our home, our floors, our dishes, everything that we eat and drink out of. It's on everything, and it's making the soaps and chemicals that we clean with stick to those surfaces. So we'll talk more about that later.